What it do, it's your boy Jungle Book Blue, man. Today I got a video for y'all, man. Today's topic is gonna be, we gonna expose the rap industry today, man. Got my little tablet right here, couple notes, man, you know what I'm saying? 4 steps so we can expose all this what's going on, and you can do it on your own. You don't need a record label. Check me out though. Step number 1, you have your own talent, right? So, and your own movement going on. So the next thing you want to do, you want to like start gaining your fan base, start reaching out to people, you know what I'm saying? Engage with people more, go to comment, sharing other people's posts, going to people's posts, adding people to friends that do the similar thing that you do, you know? And then next you'll be learning how to market your brand. And step number 2, the notoriety. So now people beginning to catch on to your talent, right? So maybe famous people or somebody, they'll catch on to your talent. Maybe share your video, share your post. Bam, there you go. Spotlight on you. You notarized. Everybody know about your brand. You can gain more fans, all that. Behind that one little simple step. That one little simple thing that'll blow you up. And step number 3 is called the approach. Someone approach you with this good deal they are trying to get you to give into, right? The whole deal is to have you to work for them. See, that's when people go out, they go get signed to record labels. You working for these folks, but you can start your own label, your record label, your LLC, your own brand. You can do all that and start your own little thing. Get all your whole money. You be working for yourself. Yeah. And step number 4 is called, it's time to work. Now you out here looking for money for them. The record labels all in one category. So there you go. I closed the book. The rap industry has been exposed. You're gonna be working for them folk, man. Long as y'all trying to get signed, they gonna look for you. Oh yeah, they go another one we can make food out of. Look here. Let's get them. Bam. Man, I got signed, cool. Man, you know what I'm saying? Bro, hey. Man, you gone on, man. Don't fall for the schemes, y'all. It's your boy Jungle Book Blue. Holla at your boy. Like, follow, subscribe, do all that. It's your boy Jungle Book Blue, man.